let's come to the financial positions. So if you look at this financial positions, it's linked with your income statement. Okay, it's linked with your income statement in terms of net profit. We need to know the net profit figures. So when it comes to your financial positions, opening, closing. Okay, you have your opening, your closing. So where do we get our opening? It's actually from your opening balance. So this one is from your chart of account. It's still the same thing. Okay, let's come to this one. Still the same thing. You have it from your chart of accounts and the name. Okay, this is the chart of accounts and the name. So here, chart of accounts. Okay, you can see the accounts you have. So financial positions, we only go for assets, right? You only go for asset. So if you look at this, you only go for asset. You don't go for your income statement and financial position. So you still use your filter functions somehow. Okay, you still use your filter function because we only go for asset. So if you use this directly, can, but we go for filter. Let's look at this. So here you have current asset, fixed asset, CAFACL. Okay, so you have FA first, right? And then you will have your CA. Then you have your equity, current liability, non-current liability. Okay, so the formula, if you look at this one, the formula, come back to here. Now equals to cannot be put E8 anymore because equals to E8 is here. You have to move it to your FA. So in terms of FA, we only have two fixed assets. Okay, now current asset we have a lot. If you look at this, they put spill, right? It means that your EQ blocking the way. So you have to remove your EQ. Okay, so this one, you have to put EQ. You have to shift it down. Okay, so EQ, you only have three. Non-current liability, none. We don't have non-current liability. Current liability, let's see. We have no current. Okay, then current liability, you have it here. Are you okay? So same thing, next what you need to do is using S lookup. Okay, when you use S lookup, you can go for the current year closing balance. So this one, against here in the data page, you only want I and you want the closing balance. So it's empty because I don't think we have key in enough transactions for we to have all this. Okay, we don't have enough transactions. So you still need to key in enough transactions so that you can see the result of it. We are just still building up the structure. Okay, so you need to add transactions in. So at the end, you should be able to balance because you need to total up here, of course, right? You need to total up the total asset, or if you don't want, you can put here total asset how much, and then you use the sum function, and then total liability plus owner equity. Then here you use the sum function of it. Are you okay, guys? Equity. There will be error. You see, there will be error. Reason is because this one is an error. Okay, so you can either use if error function if you don't want. So if you use this if error functions, means that if there's an error, I will show it as nothing. There is two formula here. Too many things. Okay, forget about it. You can just delete it. So total liability, if you want a total asset, it will sure not be balanced. The reason is because our net profit has not come in. Yeah. So what we need to do in terms of this is there is a special arrangement for retained earning. So retained earning accounts is S lookup plus current year profit. Okay, current year net profit later you will have here. You need to add on current year net profit. So retained earning you have to specially arrange, and also the inventory you have to specially arrange for closing inventory. So this one will be equals to your inventory side here. Remember we have opening inventory, we have closing inventory. So this is what you will should refers to in your financial positions. Are you okay, guys? Okay. So temporary